I'll give you an incredibly delicious cake recipe. Plenty of apples and caramel. Make sure to save this recipe. Let's start the recipe. 3 large apples. I peel the apples. I'll make you a decorative rose from an apple peel. You can use it as an ornament in your pastries and pastries. The decorative rose is ready. How do you think it looks? I'm waiting for your comments. I chop apples large. I put the pan on the stove. Half a cup of granulated sugar, 120 grams. I am melting granulated sugar. After the sugar melts, 2 tablespoons of butter, 60 grams. Add the chopped apples. I would be very happy if you write which country you are watching from. It is really exciting to see from different places. I cook until the apples drain. For eggs, 1 cup of granulated sugar to 120 grams. Whisk well. Half cup of vegetable oil, 120 milliliters. 1 cup milk to 150 milliliters. I confuse. "25 cups flour, 360 grams. I add by sifting flour. This way the result will be better. One pack of vanilla, 5 grams. 1 packet of baking powder, 10 grams. 1 teaspoon baking soda, 5 grams. We mix nicely. One lemon zest. Lemon peel gives a very nice aroma. Half lemon juice. Mix again. The cake dough is ready. I greased the baking tray with butter. (30 centimeters * 22 centimeters). I pour the dough on the tray. I pour the caramelized apples on the dough. I cook for 25 to 30 minutes in the oven that I preheated at 185-365 F degrees. The delicious cake is baked. Some powdered sugar. Very little cinnamon. Mix. Sift the powdered sugar and cinnamon on the cake. I serve by slicing the cake. Perfect apple cake. Ready. Try it and taste this delicious cake. I'm not exaggerating. It was delicious. Soft as cotton. The apples in it are really delicious. Who watched so far? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to follow my new videos. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.